Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to transpose your data in three different ways. One method is static method and two are dynamic. Before I explore the three ways, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all my videos notification. Firstly, we will explore static method. There is a small table on the screen, so I will copy this table, Control C. Then I will use the paste special command. I will go here in header and use paste special. You will see the small dialog box will appear in front of you. So I will use the transpose command here and click OK. When I click OK, you will see that the all vertical range data is transposed in horizontal wise. But there is one problem in this data is that if you change any number here, for example, I will change it here 150, then this number will not update here automatically. So that's why we call this is static method. Now further we will explore dynamic methods. We say dynamic methods because if you change any number from the original data, then Excel automatically update that number in the second table. So firstly, I will use transpose formula. There is one limitation of transpose formula is that we have to select the area where we need to transpose these values. Otherwise, we will get an error. For example, I want to transpose this table here. So I will use transpose formula bracket and then I will select the array and bracket close. Then if I press enter, you will see that I got the error. Now I will select the area as per this data. For example, in this table there are 14 rows and 2 columns. So I will select here 2 rows and 40 columns because I need to transpose this data. Firstly, I will delete this formula which I used before and select this area. Now I will use the formula transpose bracket then array and bracket close. Now instead I press enter, I will use control shift enter. When I use control shift enter, you will see that I got the full values here in transpose position. But there's another scenario. If I don't care the selection area, then what will happen? So for example, I will select this area and I don't care the number of rows and columns what I am selecting, and I will use transpose formula here bracket, then I will select the array bracket close and I will use control shift enter. You will see that transpose formula give me the data, but this data is not complete as per this table. So what I will do now, I will select this data and drag these cells as per my required area. You will see that now transpose formula give me the full data, but data messed up now. What I will do now, I will go to the formula bar and I will use the F9 function and then I will again press Ctrl Shift Enter. When I press Ctrl Shift Enter, you will see that now the data is correct. Now you will see that transpose formula give me the correct data as per this table. I will use the cell reference to transpose this table here. For example, the first cell reference is A4 and second is B4. I will use A4 here and B4 here, and before this cell reference I will use any characters. For example, I'm using KT before A4 and KT before B4. Now I will use the Excel option drag and fill. I will drag this data as per my requirement, that is up to A16 and B16. So now I will use the Excel another function find and replace. I will use the short key Control F. I will go to the replace option and in find word option I will write it here KT and I want to replace this character with equal. So now I will click on replace all. You will see that all the data in transpose position here. So these are static and dynamic methods to transpose the data. Hopefully you like my video, so don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you so much.